Every luxury car promises comfort. Some promise speed. Some promise attention. But only one became the symbol of ultimate luxury: Rolls-Royce. People don't buy one just to travel. They buy one to experience something few cars can offer. So, what makes Rolls-Royce the king of luxury cars? It starts with history. The first Rolls-Royce was built over 100 years ago. From the beginning, the goal wasn't to build the fastest car. It was to build the best one. That philosophy still exists today. Every new model follows the same idea: quiet, smooth, effortless. But history alone isn't enough. So why do these cars cost so much?
The answer begins inside the factory. Most luxury cars are built by machines. A Rolls-Royce is built by skilled craftspeople. Many parts are carefully assembled by hand. The paint alone can take days to complete. Some customers even request custom colors made just for them. No two cars have to be exactly the same. And that's only the beginning. Step inside. You'll find real wood, real leather, solid metal controls. Everything is designed to feel special. Even the doors close with the press of a button. Some models have rear curtains that close instantly. Look above you. The ceiling can become a sky full of stars. Thousands of tiny fiber optic lights are installed by hand. Each one is carefully placed. Some owners even ask for the stars to match the night they were born. But luxury isn't only about what you can see. It's also about what you don't hear. Rolls-Royce spends years reducing noise. Special glass blocks outside sounds. Extra insulation hides the engine. The suspension smooths rough roads so well, many people describe it as a magic carpet ride. Then there's the famous Spirit of Ecstasy. It isn't just a hood ornament, it's a symbol recognized around the world. Every detail reminds you that this isn't an ordinary car. And if that's still not enough, there's Bespoke, Rolls-Royce's custom design program. Owners can request almost anything: unique colors, personal embroidery, special materials, even one-of-a-kind details made only for their car. That's why some Rolls-Royce models cost far more than their original price. You're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying craftsmanship, exclusivity, and over a century of reputation. That's why celebrities, business leaders, and even royalty continue choosing Rolls-Royce, not because it's the fastest, not because it's the loudest, but because it delivers luxury in a way few others can. So, if money wasn't a problem, would you choose a Rolls-Royce? Subscribe to WM Auto for more ultra-luxury automotive documentaries.